Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Shang and I am the owner of Valda Bakery. And as promised, I know I have mentioned this a while back that I will be doing this video for you guys, but I have been so caught up with life, with my other business, and it's just been crazy for me. So I finally got some time to do this videos for you guys. And for me, if you guys follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you guys know that I am a small macaron business. I do sell macarons from home, and this is what I do on the side only. It's not something that I do full time. It's just something that I do on the side as a hobby. So I will be sharing some tips with you guys. First, I will be talking about how I prep for my weekly sales. And then second, I will also be talking about how I store my shells once I finish baking. And third, I will talk a little bit about how you can promote your small business. And I will also be sharing some of the links of the supplies that I do use for my business here. It's nothing crazy or expensive. I try to keep everything on the low end because, like I said again, this is not something I do full time. This is something I do part time only. All right, so let's start out on how to prep for your weekly sales. So is I would start taking orders. Let's say if I have a pickup on this Saturday. So what I normally do is I would post up a pre-order sales on Sunday night or Sunday morning, and then throughout the week I will start noting down how many orders I have, and I will bake accordingly. And when I start baking the shells, I actually don't fill them in. So what I do is once I finish baking, I use this Tupperware. These are really cheap. You can get it from Amazon or Walmart. So it comes in a package of 3. And what I normally do is I just stack the shells in here, cover it up, leave it in the fridge until Friday. So I would bake throughout the week, bake the shells throughout the week, put them in airtight container and leave it in the fridge. Leave it in the fridge until Friday. So Friday is the day that I come back and fill in my shells. So I spend the whole week baking, and then Friday is the day that I fill in all my shells, because with macarons, you have to let it rest for 24 hours. It has to mature for 24 hours, because if you don't let it mature for 24 hours, it doesn't taste as good. We all know that. So yes, so Friday is the day that I fill in all my shells, and once I finish filling all my shells, I pack them up. And for me, it depends if you're selling a dozen for 20 or 10 for 20. For me, mine are really big, so I sell them 10 for 20. So this is the box that I use. This is actually a really good size, and it's really easy to use as well. And I will share the link down below where I got these boxes from. I think I got these boxes for less than 30 cents, I believe so. But you have to buy them in bulk. But these are really good boxes. There are 2 different sizes. This is my backup size, the size that I actually wanted. They are completely out of stock. It's been a while. I haven't seen it back in yet, but you can always look for that. So I will put the 2 different sizes down below so you can look at it. If they don't have the size that I prefer, you guys can always order this size. It worked out perfectly, especially with my shells. They're so big. Yes, so that's how I prep my macarons for my weekly sales. I just bake throughout the week, monitor how many orders I have, and I just bake enough for my orders, or to fulfill all my orders. And then if I do have anything extra, I do post it up too, and usually they're gone in a few minutes. So for me, it has been really good for me. I have been very fortunate to have all these loyal customers to help me out. And then how to promote your small business. For your small business, I normally promote my business on Facebook. Let's say if you're someone who just starting out, Facebook it's your best tools to advertise. I would say do a few giveaway. That will really help you out. For example, just post it up saying that, hey, I have a giveaway. Here are the rules. Number one, tag a friend or two or three. Second, share this post. So that's how they're going to hear about you. It's by sharing on Facebook. That will be the fastest for people to know about you and for people to hear about your business. And who doesn't love when they get free macarons, right? So it doesn't hurt to, at the beginning do like 2-3 free giveaway, and just so you can get your name out there and people can try your macarons. And if, this don't have to be for just macarons. It could be for any kind of desserts or any kind of business that you're trying to promote. Facebook, it's the best way to promote your business. So I would highly suggest that. And yeah, I mean, it's very quick and simple. That's how I normally prep for my weekly sales, and that's how I promote my weekly sales. And yeah, it's very, very easy. It's nothing hard at all. Like I always say, it's only hard if you make it hard. But if you make it easy, everything is so easy. And I almost forgot about the most important piece to this. The most important piece to this is it depends which state you live in or which country you live in. I know that every state, because I live here in Minnesota in the US, so with Minnesota, it's different from where you are from depending on which state you are in. Make sure you check with the state. It may require you to have a license in order to sell from home. It may require you to take an online class up to X amount of hours, or it may require you to attend a food class that require you to finish a in-person class up to X amount of hours as well. So make sure to check with the state that you're in. You want to make sure that you start everything correctly from the beginning. If you are planning to start a small bakery business from home, in every state, it is very different. So you want to make sure you check before you start doing anything, just in case if anything else happen, or just to prevent all those chaos, all those headaches in the future. So just make sure you check with the state that you're in. But yeah, this is it for today. I know it's not a lot of information. It just a few things I want to share with you guys. And if you feel like this video has been helpful, please make sure to give me a thumbs up down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do so, because that will be greatly appreciated. And if you have any questions, leave it down below. Or if you want me to cover on any other topics or anything you need to know or you want to know, just make sure you comment down below and I will take a look at it. And if it's worth making a video, I will do that. I will try to do videos that will help you and will make your small business from home a lot easier. Or if you have any questions about macarons too, just throw it in there and I will do my best to respond back to you. Okay, all right, well, this is it for today and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.